India on Wednesday reported the highest ever single-day spike in COVID-19 cases with 184,372 new cases and more than 1,000 deaths in the last 24 hours. This is the highest number of cases India has ever recorded, and it is only the second country after the United States to record these many cases in 24 hours.
India on Wednesday reported the highest ever single-day spike in COVID-19 cases with 184,372 new cases and more than 1,000 deaths in the last 24 hours, according to the Health Ministry data. As cases continue to rise, India's western Maharashtra state, the worst hit from COVID-19, imposed lockdown from Wednesday night for 15 days. Maharashtra government ordered most establishments and public places closed in the state except those which are deemed essential, including grocery shops, hospitals, banks and stock exchanges. Meanwhile, in central Raipur city and neighbouring Madhya Pradesh state, indoor stadium and congregation facilities are being converted into COVID-19 care centres as hospitals are overwhelmed with infected patients amid the surge in virus cases.
भाई व्यापारियों को जब तक खुलेगी नहीं दुकान जब तक कमाई का कोई जरिया नहीं है और परेशानियां बढ़ जाएंगी घटेंगी। अब कोविड है उसके अंदर लोगों को ये समझना चाहिए कि हाँ जी आप अपनी दूरी बना के रखें।
Following a meeting of Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi with top officers on Wednesday, the Central Board of Secondary Education postponed exams for Class 12, which were to be held from May, and cancelled exams for Class 10th amid the pandemic. This comes as cumulative number of COVID-19 vaccine doses administered in India has crossed the 108 million mark. As the Drug Controller General of India has approved the use of the Russian Sputnik V vaccine against coronavirus, now the country has 3 vaccines, Covishield, Covaxin and Sputnik V, for its inoculation program against COVID-19.